What's up, guys? First thing I would like to say is my video footage is laggy due to some setting I forgot to fix in OBS. But let me explain what we're gonna do. We have two keyboards, right? One is $25 and the other is $300. First one to get 10 kills will determine which one is the best keyboard, obviously. My video is like really laggy, so most of the POV will be Penguz, but that's all I'm gonna say. Now let's get into the video, guys.
Alright, okay, we're in duels finally. You know, we have a good keyboard because I'm bad, so I'm using the good keyboard. Ray is using the really bad keyboard, so let's see how this would turn out. Both using the same texture pack.
The stabs on this suck, bro. They get stuck a lot, I don't even know why.
My FPS is really bad right now.
Really?
Yeah, I mean CPI.
Oh, CPS.
There's no debound time on. No, I'm not.
Bro, his teammate tried fighting his teammate. What is happening? Now they're getting you? My God. Bro, you good? Oh, okay.
Alright, there we go. Alright, so on one. So this is a test to see if keyboards actually really matter in Minecraft, because most of the Minecraft community talks about mouses, but you know, some talk about keyboards.
Yeah. I mean, some do care, like Minitech, but like most of them are like one of those mouse fans that like to butterfly click and all that. Oh my God. Completely destroying him, bro. He healed.
Dude, this guy is like super low.
And I'm lagging. Oh.
Alright. 1-1. Okay, so let's see. Out of 5 rounds, let's see who gets the most kills, and I'll determine if good keyboard matters or bad keyboard.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn off chat because it's kind of annoying. Capacity 10%. Alright.
I got the red blob guy.
Alright, I'm just get this guy. Oh, this is the guy I fought earlier. Isn't that good either.
I
Ooh.
can't catch up to him.
He's getting destroyed. He's getting obliterated, bro. Oh my God.
Don't steal my kill. Let me just grab this.
Yeah.
Alright.
Nice.
3. Ooh. Let's actually go up to 10 rounds because that's pretty short.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so I guess I got the black.
Yo, what? Oh my God, he's actually good though. He can S-tap.
Oh, got him. Half a heart too.
This dude can S-tap. I can see his movements. Alright, come on, come on. It's better if I click it.
Alright.
Oh my God.
Alright, I got 5, you got 3.
By the way, this is the keyboard. It sucks. Like, really sucks.
Alright. I will showcase my keyboard after.
Yeah.
His keyboard's a Dierya 65. We will link both keyboards and all the parts in the description. So if you guys want to test it out, you can.
I wouldn't recommend it though.
Done.
Bro.
Alright, so
happening?
since I died, this is my keyboard. It's the RK87. Case, Astrology keycaps, cream yellow switches, I hand lube them. Stabilizers, half are there, two.
Oh my god,
half
my
really
microphone
didn't fit.
obviously.
So, yeah. So that's our keyboards. So 5-3 versus 10. Ooh.
Why did I use both of them? What? Is this just a solo?
Yeah, I guess. It's disconnected.
Oh my god, he can actually like. Did you burn it? My god, why am I lagging so much, yo?
Dead.
You're dead, bro.
I like clutch this up.
Nah. He can aim really well. Bro, that was a close one. Oh my god, my hands from jitter clicking. Y'all about to hear some jitter click ASMR, bro.
Jack click. Jack click. Alright,
I'll get the one that beat me before. Oh, I'm dead. Yep. Oh, he's snake tapping. Shift tapping, whatever that's called. Bro, you're done. What is happening?
Right. It's him again. We may have to go. Alright.
Alright. This you get the yellow guy, I get the red one.
I'm getting the red.
Alright. I can't aim butterfly clicking, but I'm gonna try. Yeah, my aim is horrible.
Alright.
How, bro?
So loud.
Alright, nice.
Can you hear my mouse?
No.
3-7. It's 3-7. That's crazy. I have to clutch up here.
Oh, wings.
Dog.
If bro has wings, you know he's a sweat. He has lunar plus, obviously. Oh my god, I can't even reach him. Alright, comboing him. Oh, yeah, I'm dead. Yep. Oh my god, what was that effect? That was pretty fire. It was actually fire. That was a bad joke. Bro.
Alright. So 7-3. Mark us a catch up. This may determine if custom keyboards are worth it. Let's both go for one.
Oh, it's the same, like, people that... Why
This
does
guy
it fly
really
so
needs
far?
backup.
Oh, okay, finally,
son.
bro.
Right.
Alright.
Alright. 4-8. 4-8.
I have to use the function keys just to switch my POV.
Oh, alright, this doesn't
Bro,
count.
always. Why are they here since like 3 days ago?
Yeah. Alright. It is.
Oh my god, it's the same people with the Lunar cosmetics that look like Naruto.
Am I still alive?
Well, they're both fighting you for some reason.
So then.
Oh yeah, I'm dead, I'm dead.
Just watch this battle.
Oh my god.
Both they were both super low.
I can't aim butterfly cooking. I don't know why I'm even butterfly.
Jitter.
Yeah, I am.
How much CPS do you get from jittering?
12.
That's what keeps coming. Hey!
Oh my god. That was so
Oh
close.
my god.
And they're both heading for me now. Wait.
That's
Come on, bro. I keep getting so close. Nah, I ran out
Use
of
your
apples.
health. Use your health.
Alright. I cannot do that. Oh my god, the same people, bro? And they're both heading for you because they want to just do one person at a time or some crap.
It's too slow.
Oh,
Oh,
come
damn,
on.
so low.
They're both heading for you now. Why do they do this? My hands hurt from... My arm hurts from jittering, so I'm just gonna get back. No, I can't aim at all.
This guy's so low.
Bro, right when I was about to eat the goal now.
Crazy! I swear, we're gonna keep on getting these guys. They look so bad now.
I know.
We're doing like so well, like off recording. Oh my god, okay.
Oh.
Ay.
Bro, these people are AIs.
Oh my god, it's the AFK. Oh, no. It's different people. Got the piglin, I guess stream.
Oh, he has a vanilla cloak? Cape. How do people get vanilla capes? I got the migrator cape, but I don't know how that.
Alright, 5-9. This last game determines if I win. Our custom keyboards are really worth it in 2023.
The spacebar is kind of hard to press too.
Crazy. We'll do sound test of the keyboard at the end. To see how.
Yeah, I'll do the same.
Alright, oh, there we go.
Oh, they both have the same cloaks and everything. They're matching. Bro, this dude, bro. Why you got regen over here? I'm trying to get you.
Oh!
One. Did you die, bro?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why he's going for me. Because I don't have my chat enabled, so let's see.
How do you get rid of chat?
You gotta go on settings, then chat settings, options, chat settings, and the opacity put it to 10.
Chat settings. There we go. Options, chat settings.
Opacity 10.
Yeah. Alright.
Oh my gosh, straight
Okay,
sweat.
if I get this team going.
Oh my god, what does he play? No debuff? It's insane. And that's the Steve.
Right. Ooh.
What? Oh, okay, I thought they were like kissing or something, bro. Oh, he can't even. He doesn't even know where I'm going, bro. He's. Oh my god. Go strike back. Doing. Doing. Ooh. Alright.
So I won! I won a challenge! Oh my god, I won! That's crazy.